Hi, I wanted to share with you this really great stand mixer that I have. I'm doing some baking today for the holidays and thought this would be a great opportunity to share with you how much I love this. So first off, I love this really nice bright red color. It's really nice, shiny, crisp, clean. In your package, you will get the mixer, this really nice bowl that has a handle on it, which is so handy to have. This splatter shield, which is fantastic. You have this, well, I'll show you that in 1 second. So this splatter shield, spatula, a dough hook, the whisk and beater. And then to the bottom of your machine, you're gonna have these suction cup feet, which are so nice to have. So your machine doesn't move, it's secure. And then to push your machine down, you just wanna lift this lever up and drop that right in there. How nice is that? I can't tell you how many times with the top of the line, expensive, machines that I've had in the past, I have stuff flying everywhere and it's so messy and just causes a disaster and chaos in my kitchen. So I love having this. I have this little hole and opening here that if I need to add something, if I want to add extra chocolate chips or something like that to my brownies that I'm making, I can do that. So on the side here, I have this dial that I can turn on here to change my speed. So I'm gonna plug this in and show you how we work. We're lit up, and there we go. So it's nice and quiet, goes around in great motion. Hopefully you can see that. It's not just sitting in one spot. We're getting all around the bowl there. I really, really love this product. And I'm gonna whip this up. I'm gonna make some brownies and we'll show you what they look like when we're all done. Okay, so I'm all done with my brownie mix. I'm just getting ready to pop them in the oven, but I wanted to share with you how great the spatula is and bowl is. Literally gets everything out. So it works wonderfully. I love this bowl, smudge proof, beautifully. So I love it. If you love cooking like I do and hate wasting ingredients, this will sell you right away. All right, the brownies are all done. They look super delicious. This mixer did wonderful. As you can see, everything is mixed up well, beautiful. I highly recommend this stand mixer.